Oh my God, that might be the end of this car. That is serious work. Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. The spacious, now it's been moved around workshop. You can even hear an echo. I like it. Van, I was absolutely shocked. It started so easily and ran so well, which is a nice thing because that is the next big project. But now, I need to get on with that Range Rover. Now it's in place. You come to see the big reveal? Oh, it's not very nice, is it? Maybe I've got that. Come on, go on. No, down there, come on. Yeah, he's right. Oh no. oh no. Passenger side sill has left the chat. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no, Harley. Oh no. Oh. Passenger side sill has definitely left the chat, hasn't it? Hasn't it? Yeah. So this lovely plastic sill had been hiding a few nasties, hadn't it? Yeah, so there's quite a bit actually. I mean, that's all you see, that's actually gone through. Do you know what, let's get a poker. So, yeah, that has, oh, that's dead. Okay, that one's definitely dead and it's got mud. That's about to go through to that hole. Oh, that's just, ooh, that's there. This doesn't exist. There's a hole here and there's so much mud in this. Oh. Yeah, okay. Look at this. Oh, that's straight through. Oh God, that's that's serious. Let's see what the back's like. It's gone there, look at that. Holy. Ow. Oh, there we go. Right. Yeah, so. Yeah. Passenger side sill has definitely left the chat. That is serious. So that's kind of put a proper damper on the day, hasn't it? I was hoping to get the wing off and then be able to get down to the footwell on this side, because the inner wing on this side doesn't need doing. So I'll be able to cut out the footwell where it's rotten through one corner and then get some progress, but also understand better which way round to do the other side, whether I should do the inner wing first, then the footwell, or the footwell, then the inner wing. So I thought I'd start on this side, and instead of completing a task, I have found an absolute shed load more work that I didn't know was needed. That really is, come back to it. I have to dig it all out, but that's the whole sill. The other thing is, I was actually thinking earlier that I'll get this on the ramp and do things from there, but now looking at the body, I don't really want to. So it's getting quite late now. So what I'm going to have to do is start pulling all of this trim back and get underneath it, clear all of this. I mean, that's, the mud is literally what's holding it together. So that's where this has been in a forest. Yeah, where it's been in a forest, there's been a hole in the front of the sill here, and that's just let all that mud in, which is then just carried all the way up. Look, it's all the way in here. It's literally just gone up the box section of the sill. It's probably... Woo! Is that supposed to be there? No, that's another one. Oh, God. Okay, right. This is distinctly a job for tomorrow, pulling it all off and ordering a sill, and probably the inner sill. However, it's progress, even if it's, well, it's progress, even if it's just finding more work to do. At least I found it now, as opposed to in a few weeks' time. So I am going to look at prices of parts while I'm eating dinner tonight, possibly get some stuff ordered, and get to pulling this apart and really ascertaining what sort of state we're in, because now I'm going to have to do that sill before I do that footwell. Oh well, never rains when it pours. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye now.